Hi, it's Tim. I have a Wiimote project for you. This Wiimote project, if you bear with me for just a couple seconds, I'll go through the details and then we'll have some fun. Alright? Johnny Chung Lee. JohnnyLee.net. This guy now works for Microsoft, so he's a little busy, but he made a nice Wiimote project that makes 3D a little fun. I'll show you that in a second. But he got hired probably because his projects were so interesting and captured so much attention. Now, you know, he was kind of busy, but other people took on what he was doing. WiimoteProject.com, there's this guy named, a user named wiibrown, and he uploaded a fixed up one that works, it works pretty nice, you know, Windows 7 and everything, and he edited the code a little bit, you know, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Here, I've connected my computer by Bluetooth to a Wiimote. Right there, you can see that it's connected. It says Nintendo and everything. And here, I'm going to run the executable to show you what it does. That is my Wiimote right there. And it's facing towards me, I know. And that right there, that is not a sensor bar, but it works the same way because a sensor bar really is just some infrared LEDs, believe it or not. These LEDs on these work lights, on these work glasses, I took out the part that protects your eyes because I don't really need that. I'm just using it for the lights. But I replaced these. You can see with the camera, but you can't see it with your naked eye. Unless it's like really dark or something. These are infrared. So right there, I have them pointed. And notice that when I take this and I point it at the screen, it changes the perspective of those stars and everything. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to actually take this right here and I'm going to put it next to the camera so you can see what it looks like. And then I'm going to show you what I did personally to change the code, you know, after that. So, here's his program that wiibrown was working on, originally made by Johnny Lee. Remember the original idea. So when I move around, notice that those stars change their position. Now I can take off that help screen and everything, and I can even add a background, so it actually looks like a window, like you can see more of a stadium or less. So that was in Johnny Lee's project, and he actually had targets in his, but this guy wanted to put stars. I added a few stars. That right now there's more because I was messing with the code a little bit. I actually edited it so that they move towards you. And I made it, I like the way, I like to code things elegantly so that you can change up other variables and it doesn't mess anything up. So I can make it, you see, they'll move towards you and then you can press that button again and they'll stop wherever you want them to. And I also made them have random speeds. So notice that however I move, I can take off the grid for you. Notice that however I move, I'll put some lines. The perspective changes. Those lines kind of help too, same with the grid. But I just want you to see it like this because you can really, you know, take this idea and do almost whatever you want. I mean, I was thinking of making some game. Maybe you can dodge these stars or something like that. I was thinking of making a game, you know, something interesting. So, you know, if you want to give me an idea, or if you have a suggestion, or you want to see something done, you know, don't just come up with little ridiculous things that, you know, take up too much time. But if you want me to make like a little game or something that you actually want to play, that you think people would actually be interested in, you know, let me know. Give me some advice, give me an idea or something. It's a cool project. Yeah, I know it would actually go better hand in hand if you actually were able to get the 2-eye, you know, 3D effect, because, you know, this doesn't, it almost tricks your eyes better if you have one eye shut, because otherwise your eyes can tell that it's the distance of the screen. So, you know, But if you had the two eyes, you know, perspective, like a 3D, you know, games how they are, you know, commercially, plus this, oh, it would be amazing. It would be, you know, you're getting like virtual reality level there. So I mean, you know, if you just got an idea or something, let me know. And that's it. Tim out.